Hello guys, I am Satyendra Verma. Today I am going to tell you how to learn the vocabs, how to improve the vocabs. Vocabulary is very important for the learner, for the people want to improve the English, who people want to learn the English. Because vocabs is the main things. If the people have a good word collection in the mind, they people can make a good sentence. Many people have a lot of structure, have a good English structure, but they are not able to make the sentence. Why they are not able to make the sentence? Because they are not focusing to the vocabs. So vocabs is very important to make the sentence. What is the procedure to improve the vocabs, to learn the vocabs? So lot of way are available. If the people watching anything or something, so they people just note down the new words, the new vocabs. Mostly people what do, they just listening and watching and something reading, they are not recording, they are not note down anything. They are just have a confidence, okay, actually I know this sentence, I know this vocabs, I remember it. But not a possible, people sometime forget. When the people is talking with the body, that time is mostly people is forget. This is also happens with me. So that's why one record is very neat, means note down in the notebooks. And when the people are forget, then people can open the book, just read the vocabs, read the sentence. So this is a very easy for the people, this is a very helpful to improve the English, to know the vocabs. So I am also beginner, and I am also doing this types of activity. And if I watch any movie, any English movie, so then I have a notebook and a pen, and if any word meaning, new word meaning is comes, so I record it. Because this is a need for everybody. And I have also one Oxford dictionary, and on daily basis, uh, five synonyms, five antonyms, and some item phrase I learn, and I read and I record. So this is also good. Because and if the people have not find out the new word meanings, to search the in a dictionary, and who word meaning is used in a daily sentence, so the people find out and record and read and remember. So this is also good. Okay, that's it in this video, and I will meet in next video. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye.